Welcome back to Tractor Tales, folks. This week we're going to journey to Delphi, Indiana, where some local high schoolers are working to preserve some cool family history.
I have a 1944 Farmall H. It was my great-grandpa's, and then when my grandpa started farming, it was passed down. It's pretty much the last 40 years of its life ran small augers when we harvest. It's been in really good condition. It's been kept in a barn its whole life, and I just finally got it pulled back out, and I'm planning on restoring it.
Here at Delphi, we have several ag powers and structures mechanics classes. We start our kids off as freshmen as a mandatory welding course. For many of our students that are rural or farm kids, they kind of drift towards restoring tractors because of the facilities that we have. We have restored over 35 tractors in the last 9 years in this shop.
Unfortunately, right now it does not run, which is why I had to pull it here, but hopefully I can change that. I've taken the hood off and everything when I cleaned it, and I didn't have it on when I cleaned it. I've purchased a new battery for it. I'm working on getting a gasket for the fuel sediment bowl, along with a few miscellaneous other parts, and hopefully I can get tires for it.
Every one of our students is an FFA member, but we also tie it in with Titan Tire. Titan has been really good to us and our students for giving tires to those projects. Also through FFA, we've been able to award some scholarships in the name of kids going into ag mechanics after high school.
Thanks to our ag program and Mr. Walker, we have the technology, we can restore tractors. My goal is to have it done by the time, I think it's in March, when we do or at least have it running and fully operational. We have a drive your tractor to school day, and one of my friends who doesn't live on a farm really wants to drive it because I can drive one of our others. So it'd be nice to have it done by early March or late February. It's just kind of sentimental value. It's kind of a link between like my ancestors and why I'm farming.